Glad to be back at METALCON, ready to show our software. Stop by so we can give you a demo.
We got the Urban folder here. We're making some architectural sheet metal components. Come by and check out our machines, and we'll show you how easy this machine is to run.
We're excited to be here in Tampa for the show. Today we're going to be showing all of our sealants and foams. What separates our product from everybody else is we have tons of colors available in silicone.
We've been coming to this show for years, and it's good to be back again. The traffic has been great, and the people are more than excited, and there's good energy out here.
It's been great to be here at METALCON, share everything that we've been doing with our Mill Steel app, and getting to see our customers and walk the floor. It's been great.
I have been smiling behind this mask all day just to see everybody again. I've been to every one of these shows in my lifetime. Everybody here is either a customer, a prospect. This is the place. This is like Christmas and the Super Bowl at the same time for me.
We're happy to be here in Tampa and visiting with our customers and our vendors and seeing old friends. It's great to be back in the industry and seeing all these familiar faces and companies.
We've been part of METALCON for I don't even know how many years, and it feels so good to interact with people, to talk to them, to show them our tools, how they work. And yeah, that's why we love going back to METALCON every year.
We are fired up that METALCON is back in person.